Hey Skyview Academy, it's Miss Worley here. Just wanted to take you through an update to the SVA remote learning site. This feature is good for pre-K through 12. I updated the social emotional page to make it a little more user-friendly. First, we have access to our SVA mental health team. If you need to reach any member of our SVA mental health team, you may click here and you'll be directed to this resource page where we have a list of our counselors, social workers, psychologists, and crisis information should anyone in your family or yourself need to talk. Next, we have sticking to the facts, focusing on safety, and how to talk to kids about COVID-19. This page contains all kinds of information on how to talk to your kids about COVID-19. Sticking to the facts helps, and making sure that your students are informed in an age-appropriate manner will be helpful to navigating this pandemic. We have a 30-day mental health challenge brought to you by Good Housekeeping. This 30-day mental health challenge is like a makeover for your mood. If you scroll through the article, you will find a list of activities that you can do, and you could do it starting today and get you through the remote learning and stay in place order of April 30th. If you are looking for some calming resources for you and your family, click here. We have activities for belly breathing, other social emotional learning challenges, and some activities that will help you take care of yourself and take the mental break that you need from the challenges of COVID-19. Finally, we have emergency resources available for you. There is a link below. If you click that link, it takes you to a page of resources that I have divided into a table and categorized for your convenience. Please know that Skyview Academy is here not only for your academic, but also your emotional, physical, and social support. Have a great day, and remember, you matter.